Today, we're gonna deep fry another classic dish.
But we don't know what it is. Happy Friday!
Yay! We're back!
Yay, we're COVID free.
We have missed you so much. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I came down with COVID.
I didn't, thank God.
Didn't, and it was not too bad. But anyway, we didn't get to fry.
I know. That was the worst part about COVID.
I know. And so I think it's because we've been eating so much fried food that it's like washed it out of me.
Totally.
No, probably not. But anyway, thank you so much for the love and the support.
Yes,
it means the world
so
to
sweet.
us. So, all right,
sweet.
let's talk about, let's go through our appetizers, our categories.
Categories, which is appetizers, breakfast and brunch, soups and salads, handhelds, and beef.
Or poultry, pork, seafood, sides, or your favorite, desserts.
Yay!
Oh,
Desserts
my
and
gosh.
beef. That's all I want.
Yeah, let's hope you have a little bit better luck than you did last week.
We're calling it the New England Calamity Chowder.
It was a calamity for sure.
So funny.
All right, I think I'm first,
you
right?
first.
Okay, I'm nervous.
I know.
I'm a little rusty, I gotta say.
Come on,
fry wheel,
what you're gonna fry.
What is it gonna be? Please be good.
This is always so exciting. I love this part.
Oh, breakfast brunch. That's always,
okay.
That's a hit or miss. Now, where is the breakfast brunch? Okay.
It's clear over here.
Sometimes,
come on, dig deep. Dig deep.
I'm digging as deep as I can dig. Oh my gosh. It's an egg, bacon, and sausage sandwich. Biscuit sandwich.
We literally were just talking about
I know. I literally was saying, I think it would be, oh gosh.
It might be a sloppy Joe.
I know, it could be a revisit of that, and I'm not prepared to do that yet.
Come on,
so let's do it again.
One
All right,
more
come on,
spin.
baby. Come on,
you got two more, but
I know.
all right, come on.
I know, I got two more tries.
Give him a soup.
I think that, no, don't give me a soup. I don't want a soup. I don't want a handheld. I'm always getting the old handhelds.
You got to deal with all
Wasn't
those
that a song
handhelds.
in Greece?
Yes.
Oh no, that's hand jive. A sliced turkey and avocado wrap.
That has some potential.
It could be. I'm gonna have to bread it and then deep fry it, but that could be really delicious.
It's kind of like my burrito.
Well, sort of. It is like your burrito. All right,
But sounds really good.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go for it. I may be crazy.
It's the healthy
Friday.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, I'm going, y'all. Oh, everybody just cross their fingers. Give me beef or desserts. That's all I want. All right, you ready?
All right, I'm ready. What's it gonna be?
Come on. Stay away from soups and salads. I've had enough of those.
You have had.
Oh, come on, guys. Desserts! I'm so excited. I'm a little too excited.
You're giddy. Oh my gosh.
Yay! All right, I'm going to go down deep into the
Dessert.
The bowels of dessert.
That sounds yummy. Oh, what'd you get?
Fudge brownie.
Oh.
I'm taking it.
Yeah, fudge brownies.
And it is state fair season here in Texas.
Deep fried. You know, I think I've seen a Cajun restaurant that has fried brownies, and I always thought,
well, you also have a really awesome recipe for fudge brownies too.
I do. That's true.
I've got a dilemma. And
I
I've
know.
got 3 hours.
We've got 3 hours to figure out if we're going to make it, if we're going to go pick it up, and how in the heck we're going to deep fry an avocado wrap.
Oh, the tension. I can feel it.
All right, let's get going. Woo-hoo! Okay, well, here I am going back to the store, but I love making wraps. I love anything in a tortilla, so that's not going to be a problem. I think I'm going to go with like a spinach tortilla wrap, and then of course get some beautiful smoked sliced turkey, avocado of course, but I'm going to make it even better with some crunchy bacon. I got to find some other flavor enhancer, but I'm hopefully going to be inspired by that once I get into the store. Now, the question is how am I going to fry it? Of course, I could just deep fry it, and then you're basically looking at like a chimichanga, which would be delicious, of course, but I think technically we said that we're supposed to bread it or, you know, in some way. So I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna do kind of like what Wesley did with his burrito. I'm gonna dredge it in an egg bath, and then I'm gonna coat it in some Italian panko breadcrumbs, and hope for the very best. Okay, so I have all my fixings for an amazing wrap. I just need that one flavor enhancer, and I think I know what it is. Roasted red pepper hummus. Then that sounds amazing. I'm starting to feel really good about this.
I don't need to go to the store. I've got all the fixings for Krista's fudge brownies, and they're gonna be so good if I could pull it off, because I'm not the best baker in the world. But hey, if it's a good recipe, but you know what'll make it even better? Deep frying them! Woohoo! Yeah!
I can't believe you made homemade
Look
brownies.
at these, y'all. Look at how. It's your recipe.
Well, but I
obviously.
mean, those are impressive.
These are not boxed brownies.
Those
That
are going
for
to
sure.
be so
Look
good.
at that.
Oh my gosh! All right, I look at my cute little my wrap over here.
yes.
It's my spinach wrap with sliced turkey and avocado. So what I did, let me just tell you real quick.
And some bacon.
And some. Let me. I did it all right. So I got a nice big spinach wrap, and then I put a good heaping of that red pepper hummus, and then on that I placed the sliced turkey, and then I put some Swiss cheese, and then I did some avocado, and then I did some crispy bacon. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Fold the ends in, and then roll it up nice and tight. And then I thought, you know what would be fun? You know, to serve it like kind of like little pinwheels. No one says I couldn't do that.
No.
I mean, I didn't change.
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. And I'm not breaking any rules. So now I'm just going to do my normal dredging. And I was going to hold these together with toothpicks, and I just decided, you know what? The toothpicks get in the way. I'm going to live.
You are living on the edge.
I'm living large, I tell you.
These brownies, again, are. You need to go to our blog or go find them on YouTube on this channel.
Yeah.
Which you need to subscribe to if you like this, please. Thank you.
Please.
But then I made this batter. This batter is so good.
So what are you doing? You're going to do them in a wet batter?
Yeah.
See, we always do the opposite. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. I'm doing a dry batter, and you're doing a wet batter.
I'm doing a wet batter.
The way we roll.
Y'all, this batter, it's basically flour, sugar, a little cocoa powder, and then some eggs, milk, and some vanilla extract. That's it.
Oh, delicious.
That's it. So I'm going to start dunking. I think I'll do 4 of these.
I cannot believe. This is so reminiscent of.
I love this.
It just reminds me a little bit of my sloppy Joe. It also reminds me a little of your clam chowder.
But I feel like was horrible.
I feel like
let's not talk about that.
Okay,
anymore.
let's not.
Even though I am still winning, I think.
Are you?
I think so.
Oh, I think you are. I've had some fry super yays, but I've also had a couple of fried days. Okay.
How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. I think we're doing okay.
I'm doing better than you are, so I'm waiting on you.
Oh, okay. I'm close. So I seriously debated holding these together with toothpicks, but I felt like the toothpicks were going to get in the way. I think this might be. Okay, I say this every time, and then I like, nope, that was a fail.
This is a thick batter. Look how thick this batter is.
I know. It's going to be delicious. All right, how you doing? I'm almost ready to go.
Yeah, I'm just drenching my
your brownies.
In this amazing deliciousness.
Oh,
I'm gonna get
my
so
gosh.
messy again.
I have a feeling, I don't know, do you think State Fair is going to be calling? Someone's going to be calling.
I'm just going to take it to them.
Maybe the fire department.
Listen here, people. Listen here, State Fair.
You don't know what you're missing.
The fire department. Okay, Chris. I'm going to set this off to the side.
This is something. I've never had a deep fried wrap before, but we're going to do it today. And you've got deep fried brownies.
I know. All right.
People.
Y'all, all right, I'm going to, oh gosh, this is real gooey, Chris. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
I'm sticking it in.
Okay. Okay. So far, so good.
Here we go.
Oh, Wesley.
Here we go. Oh, there's sitting in there. That one's...
Those things are like meteorites.
Yeah, that one is... Hold on. I got to get it in.
He insisted on doing 4.
Oh, there we go.
Here we go. Oh, wow.
One more. Oh, come on, Chris. It's... Oh,
you can do it. You got it.
I got it. Oh, wow. Okay, I am
Watch
messy.
your fingers. Okay. All right, we're going to let these fry. We'll see if it's a fry yay or a Friday.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay.
I think we may have something here, Wesley.
Oh, dear.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, my gosh. Look at yours.
Yay.
And look at these little croquettes.
Yours are adorable.
Well, thank you. Oh my stars! I have no idea. It may be like this is the weirdest thing I've ever eaten.
Oh wow!
I remember my deep fried sloppy Joe. I was like, oh, this is fantastic, but it was still pretty good.
Hey, give me your
tongs.
Tongs.
Yes. Okay, we're letting them just rest a little on some paper towels.
Y'all.
I'm excited.
Oh wow. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna leave those two in there. I don't have room on my plate for all 4 of them. Oh wow.
Put these back in here.
Look at that though.
That is absolutely. It's so fascinating. Well, we've got to do the taste test.
Yeah. Well, hold on. I just wanted to get them on this little paper towel. I'm gonna take them off the paper towel now.
Now I've got some of my red pepper hummus that I'm just gonna put a little here, just make it kind of fancy.
That is.
It's something that you'd get, I don't know, at a really bizarre restaurant, but.
And I am gonna add just a little.
Oh, a dusting of yes, there you go.
Sugar. Yay.
You know, you could also have drizzle a little butterscotch over the top. But oh yeah.
Yay.
They remind me of beignets.
Yes.
Beignet.
Or a funnel cake.
Or a funnel cake. I'm so excited. I've never been so excited to eat a fried tortilla
am ready
wrap.
to dig in. You ready?
I'm ready or not, I guess.
Oh wow.
Okay, cut
Look.
these. Okay.
I hope it's not too hot for my
Precious little mouth.
Yeah, my precious little mouth. How are you doing?
I'm curious.
Okay.
I don't know how that is.
Mine's hot. Woo! I need a big old glass of milk.
Is it super hot? Well, I can talk. I'll go ahead and talk about mine first. It's surprisingly good. When I cut it open, I was a little concerned. It's got the avocados, which I've never had deep fried. Well, have I ever had deep fried? That would be good. But it mixes nicely against the really crunchy exterior.
Yeah.
And the tortilla is nicely soft and fried. Okay.
I need to try it. Here, come on. I think it goes without saying it's super delicious.
Yeah. No.
I could use a caramel swirl though on that.
I know.
A caramel drizzle.
I know.
Chris, can I just use my fingers?
Yes. Use your fingers.
And I'm gonna put some hummus on it. Oh, that is so cute. Y'all.
That's like, I know. I feel like it would be it wouldn't be a Mediterranean place.
It's so cute. Oh. Hot.
Delicious. I mean, it does. It speaks for itself. So talk to me about that.
It's interesting. I don't know if I would order it.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I'm gonna have to say, since
Go ahead, just say it.
It's
Come
a
on.
fry nay for me.
A nay?
Yes, I
It's
don't
a fry.
like that.
Okay. Well, I didn't like this very much either. It's a fry nay. No, this is definitely a fry nay. Well,
what did you just say?
That's a fry yay. That's a fry yay.
Fry yay.
Everybody, we've had so much fun. We love you. He's wrong. You should make it. It's really good. Bye, everybody. See you next Friday.